Okay, let's unpack this. We are doing a deep dive today into the Datavideo VTC-100.
Right.
It's an AI-powered camera that's really designed to remove the need for a human camera operator. Think hybrid classrooms, corporate stuff.
Exactly. And our mission here is to figure out how this one machine can be everywhere at once and still, you know, deliver really high quality footage.
So what's the hook? What's the central innovation here?
It's all about the dual lens system. That's the real game changer.
Dual lens.
Yeah. Most auto trackers, they get lost. The moment they zoom in, they lose their sense of the wider room.
I've seen that happen. It's a mess.
It is. So the VTC-100 solves this because one lens, the wide-angle one, it's like the AI's permanent eyes. It gives it a constant, stable map of the whole room.
Ah, okay. So it never loses context.
Never. The main PTZ lens can then do its thing, getting perfect coordinates without ever having to pan around, aimlessly searching for the speaker.
That's incredibly smart. So you have this Sentinel, this ultra-wide lens, constantly guiding the main camera. And that main one has a pretty serious zoom, right? A 12x optical zoom.
It's huge. I mean, think about a big university lecture hall. That 12x zoom plus the broadcast quality Sony sensor means you can get a super crisp, focused close-up of a professor from 50 feet away.
And what about difficult lighting? Classrooms often have those bright windows that can throw everything off.
Right, and that's where WDR-wide dynamic range comes in. It's crucial for that exact situation, and make sure you can see the details and the deep shadows and the bright spots. No more silhouettes.
Okay, so the image quality is there. But what about the chaos of a live environment? What happens if someone walks in front of the speaker?
The AI is smart enough to handle that. You can actually use what they call custom automatic object tracking. It means you tell the camera, follow this one person. And it will. It's smart enough to ignore desks, other people walking past, all the usual interference.
We've all seen those old auto-tracking systems, though, where the camera just suddenly lurches or stops dead.
Oh, the jerky cam.
Exactly. It makes the shot totally unusable. How does this system avoid that amateur look?
This is where the engineering gets really interesting. It uses something called a PID algorithm.
Okay, break that down for us.
Forget the acronym. Just think of it as predictive movement. The system actually detects how fast the person is moving and adjusts the camera's pan, tilt, and zoom speeds before they get there.
So it's anticipating the movement.
It is. And that anticipation translates directly into buttery, smooth lens movement. It prevents that frustrating lurch you were talking about.
So you've got this smooth, high-quality image.
Yeah.
Now, how do you get it out of the camera and into your production? What's the workflow like?
It's incredibly versatile. You get simultaneous outputs. SDI for traditional broadcast, HDMI for local monitors, and UVC.
The USB connection.
Right, just plug and play over USB. Plus, it has built-in encoding, so you can stream to two different platforms at the same time, right from the camera.
And I saw it supports NDI HX3. For anyone listening, that's a big deal for simplifying setup.
A huge deal. NDI means you're sending high-quality video and audio over a standard network cable. It also means you get PoE. Power over Ethernet.
So one cable for power, control, and video.
Exactly. It dramatically cuts down on cable clutter and makes installation so much easier, especially in complex venues.
But with all this automation, does the director or producer lose control?
Not at all. You can still have an operator with a controller, the RMC-1AT, and use these quick selection modes. You can instantly reframe the shot to be full body, half body, or a close-up.
Which brings us to a really interesting point from the source material, the idea of talent position.
Yeah, the creator choice.
Right. Even though the AI is perfectly tracking the person, the human still decides how to frame them. You can put them dead center for stability, or you can place them in the left or right third of the frame.
And that choice tells a story. It can show where they're looking or imply future possibilities. It's still a creative decision.
So if you tie this all together, the VTC-100 is this incredible piece of integration. You have the AI watching the scene, the PID algorithm making sure the movement is professional, and then NDI to plug it easily into any modern workflow.
It's the full package.
It's so powerful. The technology dictates what is captured, the smooth motion, the sharp zoom. But what's fascinating is that the choice of the frame itself, where you place that subject in the picture, that remains a fundamentally artistic decision. So even when the camera's doing all the heavy lifting, the visual narrative is still completely in your hands. And that's something really worth thinking about.